to KG Lab. Today we are doing experiments about 5 senses. As you know, we use our senses to gather and respond to information about our environment. Each sense provides different information which is combined and interpreted by our brain. So today the kids are doing experiments. So let's see our experiments. So we have 5 senses here. We have a touch, we have a taste, and we have a smell, and we have a sight, and we have a hearing. For hearing we can use our ears, and for smell we can use our nose. For touch we can use our hands, and for taste we can use our tongue or mouth, and for sight we can use our eyes. So let's see their activities. So I need some students to come here and let's roll the wheel and let's see which sense will come out for us. So I think it's taste. Noor, can you come here, Noor? Come, Noor. So Noor, you should choose one of them and taste it and tell me which is it, okay? Or we can use orange, okay? It's sweet? Yeah, it's sweet, right? What's this? It's orange juice, okay? And now, go back to your place, thank you. Which sense will come out for you, okay? Yellow. 1, 2, 3. This is sight, okay? We can go to Naya. Naya, can you show me what we have under the telescope? It's just like a grass, right? It's compound. Do you see? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, wow! Okay, come. Let's go back to our place. Clap for me. Okay, make rainbow. Put the water here. And give us the light. Okay. Look. Can you hold it? Yes? Can you see? Here's a rainbow. Look, here's a rainbow. Can you see it? How it's nice. Or you can use this. Look at it. Okay, did you see it? Yes, okay. Roya, I'll close your eyes and you will touch the things and you will tell me it's fluffy or it is hard or it's soft, okay? Yalla. Touch anything, yalla. It's hard or soft?
Hard.
Yes, very good. And can you touch this one?
Soft.
Very good. And can you touch this one? What's this?
Soft.
Yeah, it's soft and it's pompons, okay? And can you touch this one? And tell me what's this?
Hard.
No, tell me it's what?
Soft.
I know it's soft, but tell me it is rice or sugar or cotton. What's this? Or corn?
Pop.
Very good. This is popcorn. And can you tell me what's this? It's rice or it's lentil or it's
Rice.
Yes, very good. It's rice. And can you touch this one? It's sugar or it's sand?
Sugar.
Very good. Clap for Roya. Can go back to your place. Thank you. Okay, Tio, you have a sense of smell. You can use your nose to smell perfume. Can you smell it?
Good.
Oh, wow! And we can smell flower. Very good. And here we can smell flower and perfume, okay? Very good. Go back to your place. Thank you. And Trush too. Clap for you. You will put the tissues inside the colored water, okay? Like this. Put it like this, okay? And you can put it here, Vanya. Look, the tissue takes the color. We have a green, purple, red, blue. Can you see? Look. What color is this? And this one? This one? This one? Very good to see.